Go to the
UV,
basic plan.
just a suggestion. If he's doing it right now, and if he can show it on the screen, then it will be a guidance for all of us how to do
Oh,
it.
really? Okay, fine.
I'll
Do one
let
thing, Naren.
you
Share your
see.
screen.
Exactly. That's good.
Let me make you host.
Oh, okay.
Let me do that one so that everybody. Actually, I have posted a 6 minutes video. It's very easy, but no problem. Naren, I'm
I'm
making
also
you.
going to follow that now.
Okay. Let me make Naren host.
Okay. Okay.
Naren, what you need to do is you need to go to uv.coach first and do it from there, so that people clearly understand from that side. I made you the host.
Yeah. So I have clicked. Can you see my
You have
screen?
to start sharing.
No,
your
no.
screen.
You should share the
We
screen.
can
Go to the bottom. There is
Yeah.
share green.
share screen.
Can you
Okay.
see?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now what you do is
Started.
click on the second. Yeah. Click on that.
Get started. No.
Yeah. Click on that. Yeah, that's an image. Okay. Now what happens is okay. Click on get started. I think this is a video which I posted. Now, so here what you see is like you can see 4 plans. Go to the okay. Go on top a little bit. So if you see, click on 12 months. See the price changes to $5.95. Go to 24 months, it becomes 4 point something. 36 months. So they want you to get committed so that $1 per month you get. So even $1 per month is quite big, right?
Yeah.
So
70 rupees.
yeah.
So what would you recommend, UV, that we take for
Just go.
12 months?
I mean, if you're very confident, I mean, this is going to be your career to move forward. You're not going to drop in between. Go for 3 years, you'll get
That
a
is
best.
the point.
Yeah,
If you want to take the
No, UV, this is the career. This is the career. No dropping. Sorry. Our life is set.
Yeah, of course.
Our life is set and we have to be
So there are
committed.
two things. There are two things. One is tomorrow you may get some better hosting. So because you people are entering into the system, I don't want you to go for 3 years commitment with any company. Go with 1 year for now. Just go for 1 year.
What does it matter? Tell me, hosting makes what kind of a difference in our life? Because we
Hosting,
really.
no. You may get a cheaper hosting tomorrow because usually what happens is hosting prices go low when they have better servers where the memory management is much better. Because see, long back we used to have 256 MB card. Right now we can get the same price for like 16 GB card.
Yeah.
It was very costly before. Day by day the hosting gets cheaper. So why you get so go for 12 months now or go for 24 months also. I'm okay with it. But one more thing. Naren, you're going to have only one website, right?
Yeah, as of now, yes.
Okay, go for the first basic plan. Click on select. So you want to go for 2 years?
Go for 12 months. Naren.
So
12 months.
UV, I have a question now. You asked Naren that you're going only for one website. So go for the basic plan. So if you're going to have more than one website, would you advise that we go for the plus or the choice
Go for plus
plan?
Go for plus
I
because
think that's what I was also thinking.
yeah, correct.
For my program and all, I thought
I'll tell you. See, just if you're going to have one profession and you're targeting on only one thing, just go for only one website. Okay. If you want to have multiple websites, see what I told you was one website. If you have multiple domains, you can always redirect everything to the same website. So maybe for the whole 1 year at least, you will be in that same stage of using your own one website, trying to build it and all the stuff. So I mean, I recommend to go for basic, only one website. If you want, you can go for the second one because it's almost double. So,
not almost double. It is one.
Yeah, 12 months, maybe $2 per month. So if you want, you can go for that. I have no issues. I mean, if you have plan, you should have your plan. So for me, I knew I'm going to experiment with too many products and too many things. Others, can you please put on mute? Suman and yeah, please.
Let me see this one. It won't charge whole sum, is it?
It will charge for the whole year.
Okay.
If you want, you can go. So use your domain of your own. You already have a domain.
Yeah.
Click on that. So I think everybody understood, right? He checked on the second one, and yeah. My recommendation is go for only one site as of now, unless you have too many things going on in your mind. Later you can take multiple websites
Okay, you tell me, use a domain.
of your own domain. You
So
bought
that-
it in Namecheap, right? Put that.
Yeah, so that one, no?
Yeah,
So
Naren.
you need one more question. So now I go with one website,
Yeah.
but down the line I want to add more. I've got more content and I want to create website. Can I upgrade this plan from a basic plan to a plus plan at that point of time?
I
With the
think
same
you can.
hosting.
Usually upgrading is possible. As of I know, everywhere they do upgrade. But you need to check with your hosting company. Every hosting company has their own thing.
Tariff,
rules.
tariff,
Okay.
Everywhere. See, GoDaddy, I've seen they do upgrade. But
Who will not want extra business, UV? Obviously, they'll upgrade, na? They will, yeah, you'll pay extra money, na? Obviously, they will give you.
I think they may upgrade, maybe like difference amount or
that-
something like that.
So then it becomes easy for us if there's an upgrade option at any point of time whenever we want to take any extra websites. That's the time, and from basic we can move to a plus.
Yeah.
What's that here?
Okay, now what you need to do, Naren, is fill up your details, first name, last name, and all those details. These are
Okay.
normal details.
Okay.
And then finally your email ID, and you need to recheck again on your account
Hosting
plan.
price is 214.20.
That's for 1 year, for 3 years.
Uh-huh.
For 3 years. So you can choose again, because I've seen that one. You choose 12 months, still they'll make it three years. I don't know. These people are crazy.
And
Anyway, you're getting your SSL free, so that is good. In Bluehost, that's very nice. Because actually you need to buy SSL also, but here now they're giving free.
okay.
So UV, I bought an SSL in my domain in Namecheap. So do I have to buy an SSL? I mean, here it comes cheap, of course, but
I'll tell you one more thing. How much ever SSL you have, it is good. So
Okay.
anyway, you're bought. If you already bought it in Namecheap because you must have got it for whatever reason. Even if you get it free here, anyway, they're giving it free. Just take it. I'll
Yeah.
tell you why. There is one more reason. This SSL also, it's like very crazy. The way these people have designed SSL is like completely out of world. You know, even for the same domain, like for Naren, right? NarenYadav.com uses one SSL. Okay. www.narenyadav.com uses the second SSL. Crazy. I and like I think I'm not sure if you're aware of one of the meeting which I told. What are the different types of SSLs are there, right? So there are different types of SSL. So we don't know what kind of SSL they're going to provide also, because whenever somebody is giving something free, because as I told you, I bought an SSL of 5 certificates because I wanted to install in different sites. I paid around 8,000 rupees. Okay, which cost me like around 1,800 rupees per SSL, which is a bit expensive. So there are some SSLs which are very cheap also. So just take it. We'll think about it later. Yeah.
While you're talking, no, I just got a doubt.
Mhm.
NarenYadav.com and www.narenyadav, two different domains. There are two different domain names.
No, it's the same domain. I'm only talking for the SSL.
Okay.
For SSL, when you're applying the SSL certificate,
Okay.
they do all these kind of things. So here you just put it's optional.
Yeah.
Can you come down?
Naren, you're from Visakhapatnam.
No, I used to be there. So these details
Okay,
are. I
I'm
think,
based out of Vizag, so suddenly I'm seeing Visakhapatnam. I thought, oh God, I got someone here in Vizag. Okay.
Suchitra, you're from Vizag, is it?
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Nina.
Yeah, so I got confused because there's a confusion. One is that talking about our careers, I want a website and I am very clear that I'm going to be basically a coach, speaker, author, that's it. And within that, there is seminar, speaking, writing. So one website should be enough. I'm not planning to move into any other line of
It's
business.
enough.
So that's-
Even see, I tell you, 2-3 professions, 2-3 different niche you can put in the same website. So don't worry about it. But
Yeah.
see, you need
And
another
second thing is-
website.
the
You
second
need, yeah, I'm sorry. You need another website when you're completely having two different, totally different things. But if things are connected, one website is
Right.
enough.
Okay, you mean to say clarification to us if you are working as a coach or if you are working as an artist, right?
No, no, no. Coach as an artist is also fine. Coach as an artist, it can be same. But think that you want to like have an artist gallery itself where you're not doing any coaching there and all the stuff. It's just for your displaying your gallery and trying to sell your some things like that. You can keep a different site for that one. Maybe like for that gallery, you must have given a different name altogether. Maybe some XYZ something.com. So that time you can keep it different. For coaching itself, you can keep it different. But if you are a coach, actually coaching how to become an artist, then it's going to be only one niche. You can put it in the same domain. Did I answer?
One more question I had before I forget. Since I have seen your YouTube videos there, we just need to help guide us on how to buy the hosting space. Yesterday you were talking about how we have to marry the domain and the hosting space.
Just hold on one
Is that-
second. One second, Nina. You can uncheck those two at the bottom.
That's what, no?
Yeah, you don't need those because I think in the in Namecheap you already get this code card,
Mhm.
and so you don't need that one. So you can just go ahead, Nina. Sorry to cut you off.
That's
It's
all,
okay.
no? Yuvi?
I have already got
That's all, no? Check. I can do this.
Yeah, you can put your credit card or yeah, that's it, and you can finish the purchase. Go ahead, Nina.
So my domain is already from Namecheap.
Hmm.
I will buy from Bluehost, the hosting space,
Okay.
and like you said, you were explaining the whole redirecting process, the marrying of the two, which I was getting very confused. Is that also there in the video, or will you be guiding that separately? If I get
Yeah,
confused?
see, what I'll do is yesterday what I showed was related to GoDaddy. Like GoDaddy, how to marry from GoDaddy to this one. But from Namecheap to Bluehost, it is very easy. It's much easier than there's no confusion because there's a shortcut. I actually did it for Bhagya today. What I'll do is like I'm going to edit that video and I'll send it to you guys, and you can use that.
Okay, we'll
It's
do
very
that
easy.
then.
It's very easy there.
Because that is where I was getting very worried yesterday.
No,
It was a
don't
little
worry.
confusing for me.
Don't worry because see, GoDaddy, I don't know, somehow they made it too complex. But that's why I like this Bluehost and all those people. They make it so easy. Now it's just like click, and like you keep on entering details, and automatically everything gets set up in Bluehost. So since I didn't had anything to host on Bluehost, so I didn't do it. Now that somebody had it, I use that. I've made a record of that one. I'm going to edit a little bit, and I'll post it to you guys. Or else even here somebody has taken it now, I can show it right away.
What is this, Yuvi? Can you see?
And I just you don't need all this.
Close it. Just close it.
Close it.
They keep selling you, so don't worry. I mean, you must be
Yeah.
used to it by now. People keep selling. Every step they'll be selling something. So upselling is always there. So
If you want to stop sharing your screen, you can
you're
stop
putting the card
sharing.
details, so you can.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, guys. Any other question? While he's doing, we can.
So UV, are we going to go and see the marrying today happening in the Naren system? He's got a domain and he's got a hosting.
We can do that. We can do that. If once he does, I can do that right away so that you people can all
Lucky
follow.
Naren.
Yeah.
It's very easy in Bluehost. Don't worry, because I just did it for Bhagya. Bhagya, can you speak out? Was it easy?
It will become easier.
Bhagya, can you
So
speak out?
it is also got
Yeah,
the
it is
name-
very.
Okay, just hold on one second. I want Bhagya to speak because Bhagya is very.
domain is also the name.
Nina, just hold on one second.
Message.
Bhagya, go ahead and speak out because she's very shy
Yeah.
to speak in front of people. I want her to speak.
लेने के लिए.
Okay. Yeah, I also bought it from Namecheap and then today he helped me out. It just took 5 minutes for us to go through. I was a little slow in doing it, but the instruction was very clear from UV. So we just did it. So whatever he was saying, I was just following and it happened in 5 minutes. So it's damn easy. not that which we were seeing the whole 1 hour yesterday, to be very frank.
GoDaddy was little bit. That's why I'm moving away from
Confusing.
GoDaddy.
And
Yeah,
so that was nice. Thank you so much, UV, for it.
no problem. Okay, guys. Nina, you were telling something. Sorry to cut you off because I just wanted her to speak.
That's fine. It wasn't so crucial. I just wanted to know if Naren has also bought the domain from Namecheap.
Yes,
That's
yes.
it.
He said he bought it from Namecheap. Yes.
So we will watch it. Thanks.
So for others who are just listening and don't have any questions, if you're not bought it from Namecheap and if Bluehost is providing you free domain, just go to Bluehost and buy it directly from there, along with the hosting. So that's something which I want to tell you here. Because not every time they give it free. You never know. Tomorrow they'll close the offer. Sometimes they'll open the offer. It all depends on the business. And domain is like a component from where they start their business. First, a person will buy a domain, then he'll go for hosting, then he'll go for VPS. It's a starting point. That's why everybody tries to like attract in some way to buy domain. Now GoDaddy, now they've got a filled stomach. Their pockets are quite heavy. So now they don't want to give any discount for us. I've tried my level best in GoDaddy. They don't give anything.
Likewise.
Anything. Yeah.
UV, I am also parallelly seeing a video on YouTube titled Marrying Hosting Server with Domain Server.
Yeah, that is for GoDaddy.
Okay, so if I go through this, I'll be able to migrate my GoDaddy website and everything onto Bluehost.
No,
Is this more like a tutorial?
that is for marrying. Yes, I think yes. If you go for Bluehost domain, and if you're using GoDaddy domain, GoDaddy domain and Bluehost hosting, then yes, you can use that video.
Okay.
But today, what we're going to do is how to marry from. That was a general and extensive demo which I gave.
Sure.
But today, if you want to just marry between Namecheap and Bluehost, it's very simple. Today we'll cover it. Anyway, Naren is closing it off. If he closes and we have chance, then we'll do it. Or else I have Bhagya's video. I'll be editing it and I'll be posting it.
Thank you.
There it is much easy. It is just like step one, go and change the name server. You don't need to even call customer support. In GoDaddy, actually, you need to call the customer support, get the domain name server name and all the stuff.
Right.
It's already there. You just need to cut and paste it. It was that easy. And they have changed slightly the UI also, which I had seen before. If the Bluehost was a little bit different. Now they made it a little bit different, nothing much easier than before.
Nice.
Okay, so Naren, once you complete, please let us know so that everybody can see how we can
Perform the marriage.
Yeah.
perform the marriage.
I have to do something here.
No problem. So any other questions you have, anybody, please talk. And not just about Bluehost on this one. If you have something about Coach Valley, have you people started creating profile in Coach Valley or not? Please talk about all the stuff because this is our 5th day, right? So tomorrow there'll be no meeting. We'll be having meeting on Sunday morning, 11 a.m. again. That will be more restricted only for Coach Valley. Yeah. Naren.
Hosting.
I've done that. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So what we'll do is I'll be guiding Naren here. Please just watch this one. Okay, Naren, what you do is gonna go click on create your account.
Create your account. Okay.
Yeah. And now you'll be landing up to a page where you need to put your domain name and also. So domain name is already there, so don't worry about it. Put your password. Create a password.
Okay. Anything like that, is it?
Password, any password, but you should remember the password.
Yeah, 1 second.
I don't think so it'll show up, so no problem.
Password means he took off the screen.
I can't see the screen now.
Not strong enough.
क्या दे रहे हो? Not strong enough.
You can use the same password which you use for your domain.
So everybody knows it now. So guys, I want you all to close on this buying this host because Developing a
I'll
website
do that
is
tomorrow.
just do it, close it, because once I start developing the how to design your own website or build your website, you'll feel bad that you didn't buy it then, right? Okay, fine. So once you create the password, I think you need to log in again. And okay, I'm hoping everybody are watching this.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Make notes. There's nothing much. It's very easy than what I told. Okay, once when you come here, it'll start asking, because you come here, you already put your domain. So the main interest for Bluehost here would be to give the website details, what kind of website you want to develop and things like that. So there's a different way they are taking. It's very nice. The UI is very good. So what Naren, what you're going to do is, like, what kind of site are you creating? You can just select one option there.
Drop down.
Is it a blog, online store, business, professional? Go for business.
Business. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what type? So what is
So,
it? What type is it?
So
You
just a
suggest all of
question.
us should
So
take that, huh?
Yeah, it's your personal business, right? Now your coaching business is your personal business. So
Okay, okay.
is it
okay,
good?
so it need not be professional, right? That's what I had a confusion.
You can take professional, you can do anything. That's not a problem. But I think usually it's business.
Mm.
And you can always go
Okay.
and change it later also. There's nothing.
Offers services, training, and education.
You can take that also. You can do professional also, no problem. Go for professional.
Mm.
Go for professional. Okay, what type is it? Can you relate anything in this option?
Yeah, in
Okay.
this is coming now.
Consulting and coaching is good.
Coaching,
Very nice.
Yeah.
Who are you creating this for? I think it's for yourself.
Myself. Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
Consulting and coaching, I think, sounds good.
Yeah, go for that.
Yeah.
So go for professional and then consulting and coaching. But anyway, this can change. It's just for the reason it's asking. Now, let me tell you one thing. There is blog, store, and about me. Okay. Some people may be having store also, right? You may be having products to sell to people.
Mhm.
That time you can choose all the three. Or for now, you can go for blog and about me. Or else if you want to choose all the three also, it's no. To be frank, all these things really doesn't matter. These details are collected by Bluehost so that they can promote you something tomorrow. Because once you go to WordPress, we're going to do this again. Because there you're just going to pull out the layouts. So anyway, you can just put
Skip
all the
this
three
step
options.
first. Or skip this step.
Yeah. you
No,
can take
don't
it.
skip. Click call and get more promotions to you so that you keep spending more.
Okay.
No, it'll invade your inbox.
Guys, let's concentrate.
Yeah, yeah.
Name yourselves.
Okay, what do you
What is
want name of your site? I think, see, this is it's like, there's a title of the site. Okay, it'll appear on the top of your site. So put something. Naren, what's your niche?
Fearless dreams and success.
Go ahead and put that one.
Okay, so we have to create something like that.
You should have your tagline.
line of
Oh, UV, then I have this Ignite Minds by Transforming Lives, right?
Yeah, you can put
So
that.
I can put that? Huh.
Yes, yes. And you can have a nice tagline also, saying something more about this.
Okay. I have a tagline.
This is nice. Okay.
So what's happening? These details in other places, in GoDaddy and other places, what happens? We do it once we go to the WordPress. But here they're trying to prepare all these details and they automatically push it to WordPress. So here, yes, are you comfortable with creating website? You just put the third one.
Very.
Yeah.
No.
Third one. Put the third one. No, you can put anything.
They'll help you.
Now UV is there, so it can be high only.
Click on continue to theme selection, or you can just skip this step. Or yeah, no problem.
I put
So
later,
here-
and they'll guide us.
So here you already get free themes. Like, these themes are the ones usually from Astra or many other places. So you can choose your theme here itself. Okay. We can do the same after we go to WordPress. But wait. Don't do anything. Go on top. Okay.
Please.
There you see all ecom, blog, portfolio, entertainment. There's many things, right?
Yeah.
Choose something from that so that the themes you get will be related to that. For now, go for blog or portfolio. Or else it's okay. You can choose anything from the design also. If they have more, Okay, do one thing. Just cancel that one. Make it got it and
Got it. Mhm.
go for Astra. I want you to go to Astra.
Use this theme.
Yeah, Astra has got many themes. I prefer Astra because the designs are latest.
So it is already installing WordPress, right? So
Yes,
inbuilt.
yes,
Mhm.
yes. So there we used to install WordPress in a different manner. Here it is. The UI is good. It's taking
Okay,
very
we
good.
don't have to go to the install applications and all in
Yes,
the.
yes. Here it's doing it directly. Okay, so now you're ready. Now what you do is just hold on for a minute.
Mhm.
So what you need to do now, you need now this is where you're going to marry between Namecheap and this one. So go to domains, left hand side,
Mhm.
click on that, click on manage.
So there was one option that transfer to Bluehost. UV,
Yeah,
did we see?
forget
That's
about that one for now.
okay.
Let's only concentrate. So now when you clicked on manage, can you see the name servers here? NS1 bluehost.com, NS2 bluehost.com.
Yeah.
Just hold on there in there. Just hold on.
Okay. Okay.
So what you do is you copy this NS1 bluehost.com from here.
Mhm.
Okay, now go to your Namecheap account. Okay,
Mhm.
Namecheap account, you're there. Okay, go to
Yeah.
domains. Go to domains.
Where it is?
You need to go to your on top. Yeah, there you see your dashboard. Yeah. So, okay, now go to your domain list. Okay, come to your domain place where you want to change whichever domain. Click on manage.
Have to select this one.
Yeah, click on what is this? Verify contacts. You're not verified your contact yet, Naren.
I don't know. I've done that. Whatever was
I
it.
think you need to go to your email ID and verify.
Okay.
Yeah, I think your account is not verified yet. Once you
Yeah,
create,
I have verified.
okay. So go to your, maybe you must have got a mail there. Click on that one.
Yeah, mail comes, so you can check it probably.
Go to your Gmail or wherever you registered this.
Yeah.
He can click on verify contacts. No, it will automatically take him there.
You can do that also, or you must have got a mail there. You can just choose anything.
Main
Name-
list, mains,
I got a Namecheap support
Yeah,
required.
verify. There's a link maybe.
Email address, no?
Yeah.
It says unable to complete registrant email address verification.
Is it the same email ID you're given?
Yeah.
Okay, can you come back here and click on verify contacts? Let's see what is there in that.
Verify contact. Manage.
Okay, let's go with this. I think you need to verify your account, Naren.
Hmm.
Maybe the email ID you're given mismatching, something must be there. But anyway, don't worry about it. Let's move on for this one and we can sort it out later. So
Okay.
here is where, like, this, when you come to this place, if you remember, last time I told, come to domain, and the fourth option is name server. Remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
So click on this right side, drop down, and click on custom DNS.
Custom DNS. Yeah.
So, okay, hold on for 1 minute. So this is the place where you need
you
to
just
change.
repeat that.
Okay. Once you come to
Which page?
domain and when you click on manage, go on top, Naren.
Yeah.
There is domain tab on the top, right? This is the place where you need to come. Okay. And scroll down a little bit. The fourth option is name
Name
servers.
server. Yeah.
Look for name servers below the domain tab and click on custom. Can you click on that again, please? There will be three options. Namecheap basic DNS, Namecheap web hosting. Third is custom DNS. Click on custom DNS. So when you click on custom DNS, you'll get name server 1, name server 2. So he has cut this details from Bluehost. If you remember
Blue.
NS2 something like that. Can you paste it here, Naren? Just paste it. Control V.
Control.
Okay. Now paste it again. Paste it again, and make it NS2. Instead of 1, make it 2. Okay, just hold on for others. So, guys, did you understand till here?
So
First one
basically
you just
both
paste
the
it, and in the second one,
No, don't copy what
So-
he has written. You first need to go to your server. I mean your name, your Bluehost, and then only you need to check it. Don't
So
blindly
usually-
take this one. More or less it will be same, but sometimes it may be different also. Yeah.
You can see this.
So we take both the server names from there, right? Or the
Yes.
IP address from there.
Yeah. Server name is better. It's easy. Let's go to one. Because when you're doing the DNS, it's better on the IP. But when you're doing name server, it's better to put the name, not the IP. It's the name server.
Okay.
So once you do that, click on the tick mark, the blue tick. So it's done. So here it's that easy. Okay, just put the name server details and tick on it. It's done actually. DNS server updated may take 40. See here, this is what the thing. It may take 48 hours. It may take even 2 hours to 48 hours. So, but there is no. You don't need to stop working on WordPress when you're doing this. Once you do this, come out of Namecheap. Go to Bluehost again now, Naren.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now in Bluehost. Okay. Okay. So you're in the Bluehost now, right?
Yeah.
Now can you? Okay. Now the UI has changed a little bit. So this is the next. So that is the first step. Everybody knows this. Let me repeat again. You're coming to Bluehost, coming to the domain. You see the name servers. Copy the name servers. Name server one, that NS1 and NS2 and things like that. Go to Namecheap. Go to the domain section of Namecheap. There is name servers there. You're going to paste the name server details which was there in Bluehost, right? That is step 1. Okay. Now step 2. Step 2 is go to Bluehost.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm here.
Yeah. In Bluehost, in the left hand side, you're already on the domains, right? Click on the assign sub menu. No. On the domains left hand side.
Okay, here.
Yeah, there is assign sub menu. That's a sub menu of domain. Click on that.
Click. I already clicked.
So now, just hold on there. So here is where you need to put your domain name. Okay. So there is first one and second one. So be careful about this. If you bought domain from Bluehost itself, first option will be there, and your domain would have already been there because it will list it out. But since you have bought the domain from Namecheap, you need to go for the second option. So put your domain there, Naren.
Full like this is it?
No. Don't put www. Just put normal domain.
Narendra Yadav.
It's already there.
Yeah.
But please check properly. So it will be verifying. See what it says is, if you see here, the domain is already assigned as a main domain. The reason is, if you remember, at the initial stage when he logged into Bluehost, it asked for which domain you want to create and things like that, right? So it has already picked it from there. So don't worry. Sometimes that some people will skip that step. So it is asking here again. Okay. Just remember to go and check it again so that there is no conflict. Now it is already there. Come down, Naren. Okay. Here there is add-on domain, right? It's already there in add-on domain. It's good. It is good. If it is not, okay, just hold on. Sometimes it will be in park domain or unassigned domain, something like that. You need to click on add-on domain and come down. Okay. Now here is one thing. Now create a new directory and all the stuff. It is already self-assigned here. Okay.
Yes.
Come down. Okay. Now click on assign this domain.
So basically, most of the things which were there is already pre-filled.
It's
You
already
hardly
pre.
have to-
Yeah. See, there are two things. Once you log in, when you create the account in Bluehost, there is that questionnaire type, that flow went on. Some people will skip that one. They won't have patience, just skip, and they come here. So since we filled it there itself, here there was no need. Anyway, we cross-checked it again if everything is fine. So it is existing, so no problem. People who have skipped it, they may need to re-enter here. That's the reason we did both the steps. So that sometimes you may enter there or sometimes you may enter here. That's why we did both the steps. Now it is already done. Any questions still here?
I got a little last bit. So when you said you come to this where it talks about the assigned the add-on domain, but sometimes it can be on the park domain. Then what do we do? Sometimes in the park there are other options.
No, you just need to check on the add-on domain. That's it.
That's it automatically. Okay.
You just need to. That's the radio button. So you just need to click on.
Okay.
Add-on.
Oh.
See, so if you remember yesterday, what I told was add-on domain we created in a different fashion, right? We went to that cPanel, we clicked on add-on, that add-on came, I clicked on that add-on, then we filled up some things, right? So it was a little bit tough there in GoDaddy. So here it's very user-friendly. So that's what we did here. That's it. Same thing, user interface is much better in Bluehost. So now it's already done. Go on top. Just go on top. Okay. Now click on My Domains again on the left hand side.
My Domains. Okay.
Actually, now everything is set now. The marry is over, so it was very easy to marry here.
Party.
This is like what you did yesterday was like the Brahmin wedding, and today it was like the Kerala wedding. From 5 hours we came down to 5 minutes.
No, in church actually. It is in church.
So fine, guys. Let's do one thing. Now everything is set. What you do is just hold on. Let me see if there's any options here again. Go to my site.
It says to activate all features, transfer to Bluehost. Isn't that already done now?
Don't do all the stuff. Don't worry. Don't see across. Sometimes it's better not to see anything other places. Just concentrate on what is there. Okay. Now, when you click on my site, there is manage site, right? If you see narenyadav.com is already there. So click on manage site. Okay. Now go on top. There is go on top. Okay. Log into WordPress. Click on log into WordPress. So it will take you to the dashboard of WordPress. That's it. Finished. So this is the dashboard of WordPress. From this stage is where we are going to create website, that I'll teach you some other time. So let us restrict only for this much for today.
Acha, UV.
Yeah.
UV, you know what? I'm facing a big trouble. In my Facebook. My Facebook is having some problem.
So this account are all linked to your Facebook account. Okay.
Yeah. So I think it is asking for a lot of verification. I did that. I changed the password since morning 4 to 5 times I have changed. But at this stage I'm stuck up, and hereafter I can't move. If I
what did you do in Facebook? Did you try to promote anything?
No. So far I have not done anything.
So then why did it? 1 second. These accounts are all linked to your Facebook account. Okay. Did you try to when did you get this error? For what reason you got this error?
That I don't know, because morning I used it normally, and I think I don't remember I did anything different which I have not done.
Is there any linked account here that you don't recognize? These accounts are all linked to your Facebook account. Click on unlink.
I did that. Nothing is happening. It is stuck up here.
Okay. Go click on Naren photo. Put your password.
I don't know which password I used last.
Saving it, Naren.
Okay, do one thing. I think your password is already saved there. Just go and click on login there.
It is saved. Okay.
I can see that star marks there. Now close this pop-up. Click on login. You entered an old password. Just try. Your password was changed about an hour ago. Did you change your password?
Yeah, I changed it.
Put your new password.
New password.
Yeah.
You remember that, right, Naren?
So
If you want to close the screen, you can do it.
no. I should use this forgotten password. No,
Why? You changed your password 1 hour ago. Don't you remember?
I have since morning. I used so many. I forgot now.
So click on
Let
maybe
me see.
try one, and if it's not possible, then go for forgot password and reset it. You enter your old password.
Okay, restate my password.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll do this.
Reset, and I think it will be done. So don't worry about it. I think you have
Yeah.
the 2 verification, and yeah. So you get an OTP.
Yeah, I have put several times since
So you can
morning.
click on the OTP now, maybe. Okay, guys. When he's doing, is there any other questions? And I want you people all to go and buy the Bluehost today, so that I can continue building your website. That's more important, because after you build the website, I'll tell you something now. And there will be other tools which you need to start integrating. You'll really see magic happening there on your website. Like how we are going to automate it. How other things will come in. It's really a beautiful game after this.
I don't know what password I should use. I should write down.
Maybe I have a question regarding.
Ask us, madam. Go ahead.
Yeah. So for each domain, there are 2 name server URL we will get, like NS whatever NS ****.
Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Always name servers will be 2.
UV, yesterday you had told us to select HTTP and not HTTPS, but that didn't happen out here.
Yeah, here it automatically the UI is totally different here. So don't worry about. See, Google. I mean, GoDaddy was like as if like a coder doing it.
Oh, okay.
So here they made it all user friendly. So don't worry about. Forget about whatever I told. In case somebody has GoDaddy hosting, then that applies still. So anyway, we covered 2 different hosting. So okay,
yeah, it's working now.
you got it. Yeah.
You're a doctor. You know what? Same thing happens to me when I go to
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Nice.
I'll yeah. So if my website is there, can I log in now? My website.
Please remember the Facebook password now.
Yeah. So if I put here, what will it come?
What?
Naren Yadav.
Naren Yadav.
Yeah.
You can
Nothing
check
will
because the DNS is not completely set. I think it will take some time, as I told, to set up. But you can try. See, basic WordPress theme may come, or else it may not come. Oh, it's at least it's showing coming soon.
Guys.
Good. It's coming soon.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a landing page for Bluehost.
So this is the default. Since you're not set up your theme and all the stuff, this is your first page.
And UV, this is not secure.
Yeah, SSL you need to apply. I'll teach all those things later. So don't worry about it. Let your site become ready. Then what we need to do, since it's showing not secure, this is where your SSL certificate will come to picture. You need to generate a key and apply it to your WordPress site. That I'll teach you later. So don't worry about it. Unless your site is built, nobody's going to come to your site. So let's hold on. We'll go step by step.
Good, yeah, good.
Till now it is fine. So what we'll do is tomorrow we'll not be having any session. It's only today. Tomorrow it's rest day for you. So, but I want you people to go ahead and spend your time to buy your domain name if you're not bought it yet. Go and buy Bluehost if you're not got it yet. So Monday we'll work on how to build your website.